Hello everyone, welcome back to Coders Project. In today's video, we're going to be solving a super simple and a very fun problem known as the add binary. If you have ever wondered how to work with binary numbers in Python, this is a perfect problem to get started. Let's dive in. So given these two binary strings a and b, we need to return the sum as a binary string. So if a is 1 and 1 and b is 1, when we sum them, it's going to be 1, 0, 0. Let's dig into the code now. So we are given a and b as string, and then we need to return one string at the end. So let's go ahead and convert our strings to integers now. I'm going to name them as int1 equals int a comma 2, and int2 is equal to int a comma b comma 2. Now that we have converted the strings to an integer, basically if our a is 1 1, that's going to give us 3 when we convert it to integer, and then since b is 1, when we convert it into an integer, it's going to give us 1. This is considering a is equal to 1 1 and b is equal to 1. And then let's go ahead and sum these two. Going to name that as result. Result is equal to int1 plus int2. Now that we have the sum of these two integers, it's going to give us 4 for this problem, and we basically need to convert this to an binary. We're going to use Python's built-in function bin to convert this to a binary. It's going to have a a prefix of 0b at the very beginning. We'll go ahead and remove this later on, but let's go ahead and convert this integer to a binary now. So new result is equal to bin of our result. So when we run this, this should give us our binary with this prefix. Let's return it and check our result. All right, we basically have the output. We just have to slice these two and then remove it. We're going to return a result, and we're going to remove the first two characters of it, which is 0b, and then return the remaining characters. So it's 2 till the remaining characters. Okay, let's go ahead and run the other test cases. All right, looks like our test cases are passed now. So a quick recap on this code. We are first converting our strings to integers, and then after we have converted these strings to an integer, we're going to sum them, and after we add them, we convert them to binary, and after converting it to binary, we are returning it, and then we are removing 0b from the beginning and returning the rest of the numbers. This is going to have a time complexity of O of n, because converting binary strings to integers and then back takes linear time based on the length of the given string. And space complexity is also going to be O of n, because the temporary space is used for string to integer and integer to string conversions. And that's it. We have solved the add binary problem. This is a great example of how powerful Python's built-in functions are. If you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below your favorite coding problems. See you in the next one.